Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create table in MySQL. On the last video we discussed how to create database, how to use database and how to drop database. If you didn't watch my video, then you can check this playlist. Okay, so let's come to the point. To create a table in MySQL, this is the syntax: create table, table name, and you need to specify the column name and data type, column name and data type too, and this is the semicolon you need to put it. So this is the syntax. Okay, so the data type we'll discuss in another separate video. In this video only we are going to show you how to do that. Let's come to the terminal. Let me log into MySQL. I have logged in to MySQL and you can see the databases I have already created. This is the mkd mixture database, and on the last video we discussed how to use database. We are using mkd mixture. Okay, you can check database change. So we need to use this syntax to create a table. The first syntax is create table. Okay, so let us do that. Create table, and table name we are uh, creating an employee table, and then we need to start bracket, and then the column one is employee ID. Okay, so employee emp id will be integer. We'll discuss this data type. Integer is a data type. We'll discuss this data type in another video. So employee ID will be integer, and then first name uh, for sure is a data type. Let me define is 255, and then last name, let me do it larger, again 255. Okay, so for employee ID, first name, last name, and what another things we can add, address. Okay, so address will be voucher. Okay, so it is also 255. And then what other things we can mention? We can mention his mobile number. Okay, so mobile will be integer. After that we need to close this bracket, and then semicolon we need to use. Let me check the syntax: create table, employee ID integer, first name voucher, last name voucher, address voucher, and then the mobile also integer. Okay, we can put here the gender also. Let me put the gender here. Okay, and let me hit enter. There's some mistake. Let me fix it. Mistake should be, so let me fix it. What is the mistake? Okay, you have an error in the SQL syntax. What is the error? Error is I have wrongly mentioned this data type. You can see it is created. Okay, if you do show table, you can see employee table is there. And if we need to show the DDL, show create table mkd, make sure it's the database, and then employee is the table name. Okay, so this is the syntax we use to create this table. Okay, if we need to delete this table, what we need to type here, drop table. Let me show again, show table, show tables, sorry, show tables. You can see employee table is there. Okay, if we need to drop this, drop table employee. Okay, you can see it's drop. Let me show table, there is no table, it's empty. Okay, so this is how you can create a new table in MySQL. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create table using another table. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.